Hi everyone, this is Wednesday, May 6th. Again, we're fraction reviewing today. Okay, so let's get started. Our target, I could change a mixed number into an improper fraction. So make sure you have your materials ready, a pencil and paper. Our vocabulary, we're going to review mixed number and improper fraction again. I have examples there for you to look at. So a mixed number is a whole number and a fraction. And there's my example, 1 and 2 over 4. A whole number and a fraction. An improper fraction, the numerator is the bigger number on the top and the denominator having a smaller number on the bottom. In my example, 9 over 2. Okay, today our fluency is going to be multiples of 7. Are you ready? A good way to get to learn these and know these so they stick in your head is you recite them out loud. You could jump around, you can, when you're saying them, you could do jumping jacks, you can say them while you're taking a walk, whatever you choose to do, or you can write them and say them at the same time. So here we go. 7, 14, 21, 28, 35, 42, 49, 56, 63, 70, 77, 84. You should be getting really good at these now. Okay, so today we will review how to change a mixed number into an improper fraction. So let's look at the first example. 1 and 2/3. I have steps listed here, and I'm going to walk you through these steps. Here we go. So our first example is 1 and 2/3. The first step is multiply the whole number and the denominator, which the whole number is 1, your denominator is 3. 1 times 3. The step 2 is you're going to add the numerator to that number. So now you can see I've got 3 times 1 plus 2. And then step 3 is you're just going to take that number, 3 times 1 plus 2, which is 5, and you're going to put it over the denominator. You always keep the denominator that you start with. As you can see here, 1 and 2/3, this 3 is carried through all through these steps as I wrote them out for you. 5 over 3 is your answer. So I remember having you guys in my RTI groups, and I like to show it as like a backward C, starting with the denominator and coming around and going from the denominator to the whole number to the numerator. So that's why I have like this backward C and the arrow pointing down. Okay, so remember to follow the steps. 4 times 5 plus 3. Again, 4 times 5 plus 3 gives me 20 plus 3, which is 23. And my denominator was 4, and I just kept it all the way across. So my answer is 23 over 4. This is a short review lesson, so you can get right on Google Classroom and complete your homework. You'll have some problems like we just finished. We got one more to do. Our last problem to solve is going to be 24 and 2/3. Again, I made my C starting from the bottom because my arrow's up there. So 3 times 24 plus 2. 3 times 24 equals 72 plus 2 is 74. And again, my denominator never changed, stayed the same. So my answer is 74 over 3. Any questions, you know where to find me. Remember that you want to follow those 3 steps that we just went over, and that the denominator always remains the same. Okay? So our target, I can change a mixed number into an improper fraction. Okay, have a great night, everybody.